Welcome back, everybody. As you can see there, we had all kinds of difficulties. It looks like we were hacked there for a moment. I received all kinds of information telling me that we actually had been hacked. So as you can see, we're a little bit out of sorts right now. We'll fix things and bring them back in. But yeah, that's the very, very first time. Just as the market was about to open and trade, we were actually hacked there. That's never ever happened before. So just bear with me a second right now. I'm just trying to fix a few screens right now. And we're trying to do it as quickly as we can and bring you back the information that you need. It's a little bit difficult right now. But bear with us. We've reset everything, restarted everything, created a new stream. And right now, we're just trying to share this with you. And just bear with me 1 minute. Just trying to bring it back in. There we go. We got this. We got them. We missed out on some trades. Unfortunately, if that was the intention, whoever hacked me there, if that was the intention, it doesn't matter. I'm making it back. I have lost one set of trades, though. I could have made money on all those trades. But welcome back into the chat, everybody. If you're just tuned in, I hope you're back with me. I hope your systems are okay. But we did lose everything there. Come on, sort it out. We were live and then we lost everything. We got literally, our account took over. The whole system went down. That's never ever happened before. But I guess it is what it is, right? Let's clear the dock away. So we're resetting the show as we're doing it live. That's what we're doing right now. But nevertheless, we are back in. Yes, we are back. Hi all, sort it out, Duchak says. I'm doing my very best, mate. But yeah, that's never ever happened before. We had an all-out crash this morning on the systems, and I did get alerted that it looked like a hack. But I've reset my passwords, changed everything, and we're back up and running again. Okay, let me start the live feed over there on TikTok as well. Let's have a quick sip of tea. Let's get ready to go. What happened? I actually got hacked. It absolutely was a hack into my system. I got alerted of it. And it took everything down and shut my entire system down and had to reset everything. So who knows? Just as it was about to trade, I had all those positions open and I lost everything. So anyway, never mind. It's a bit frustrating because I was going to sell Virgin Galactic, but I'll sell it again. I've just missed my first set of trades, that's all. And Lucid, I was going to sell up here and drop back down. So yeah, what can I say? If that's someone trying to have a go, well, they did very well. You won 1-0 to you, but we'll make it back, and we've reset everything now. So let's hope that doesn't happen again, eh? Right, let's look at Bitcoin. Let's refresh these screens. Some of these screens might take a moment to open. There we go. Up 4% now, Bitcoin. We're going to trade some Bitcoin in a minute. So is Ethereum. Look at that, nearly 4%. There we go. Right, Virgin Galactic. We want to take some money out of this. If we're going to get to all nonsense breaking out today, we want to sell. So let's sell right now. Let's sell 600 shares of that. 600 shares and take our $200 profit. Yep, 600 shares. Review the order. Let's have a look. 929, 927. Review the order. 930. 928. Sell that. Take it out. Done. 924. Okay. We just made a $200 profit there with Virgin Galactic. So we've made our $200 in one trade today. One trade. We'll buy it back down again. We did miss out. We could have made $400 there because we were up 200, down 200, up 200. I would have done it twice. Unfortunately, we were hacked. We did receive a virus, which I've never ever had before on my system. But anyway, 1-0 to whoever that was. But not a problem. Not a problem. We'll fight again. Right, we're up anyway. Would have been up a lot more. Just made $200 out of Virgin Galactic. Right, looking at Tesla now firing off. Rivian is now down. SPCE, I'm going to buy it back down when it falls again. So let's wait for it, hold on it. I've just sold it and made $200 on it. Right, let's go for Lucid right now. Lucid's going to pump up again if we can, and I'll sell it again. So it's a shame because I made my money here. I'd made $200 here, and unfortunately, I lost the opportunity. But there it is. I think it's going to rise throughout the day, but I'm going to wait on it. I'm going to wait on that one now. Hood is down. Palantir is down. PayPal is moving up. Immersion. Let's refresh some of these as well. There's a few here that didn't load up. Boeing. What's Boeing doing? Apple. What's Apple doing? Apple's now moving up. Bit late to trade right now for those stocks anyway. Google. Oh, Google's interesting. Google's having a rough day. Down 1%. Let's have a look at that. Let's stand back and get a closer look at that. Not enough, really. Not much of a bounce. SPCE to $15 suddenly at some point sooner than you think. Yeah. I'm ready to buy a bounce again. I've just made my money on it. I've made my money now on Virgin Galactic many, many times. 39,486. So we're up today, $246. That was my profit out of Virgin Galactic. Tesla's now doing well. We're leaving that where it is. Rivian is down 13%. Let's have a look back there a minute. Let's get a feel for that. No, I'm not going to do anything with Rivian. Virgin Galactic, right, we're going to try and get back in again. Get ready to buy. This time I'll buy 600 shares. 600 shares of Virgin Galactic. 917, review order. Get ready for it. Meta is down 1.5%. Looking again at Ethereum and Bitcoin. We're going to sell if we can there. Who's with us right now? We've lost all our audience. We had to start all over again. Subscribe and ring the bell. Smash the like button. There we go. If you've just tuned in, we want to get the numbers back up again. We missed everybody. There we go. Are all the streams working? Yeah, we're over there on TikTok again. When we can hear you, mate. How are you? We're over here on YouTube. This is where we are right now. We lost the entire stream on YouTube. Our account was hacked. Anyone else having issues hearing this man? Oh, I know why. Hang on. I know why they can't hear me. I know exactly why they can't hear me. Just bear with me, folks. We're just fixing a little issue here with our TikTokers and some of you as well. I've got to improve the audio. Bear with me. 1 second, guys. 1 second. I know exactly why. 1, 2. There you go. Is that better? That's better now, right? 1, 2. Yeah. You're getting me now? Okay, good. Fixed it. Sorry about that. Had to open that extra feed up. Okay. Last time Biden spoke, he charmed the market. All right, I'm back. There we go. Everyone's back now. There we go. Let's have a look. So we're firing off now. We're up $300 today. We made money on SPCE. We're waiting to buy it back. 918. $9.18. 9.16. Hold. $9.15. We just made $200 from it this morning. So what we'll do now, we'll buy 300 there. What's the time? 10 to 9. So okay, we'll buy 300 there at 9.16. Quick random question. Is Studio One your favourite door? Yes, it is. It is. Well recognised, by the way. Well recognized. Okay. 912. We've just bought 300, so we're back in the game again there now. If it suddenly lifts off again, we'll do it again. We are now up to date, $225. It's been a very, very good start to the day. Tesla, we're just holding our positions right now, waiting to go over 1,000 again before we start selling there. Lucid, we were up, and we were literally, it came up, I was hacked, took the system out, everything went out, and I had a virus come in, and it was the first time I've ever had that happen, just as I was about to trade. But there we go. So I lost opportunity to sell because I was going to sell all my Lucid here. So about $200 there I lost this morning. If I'd set obviously if I'd set a limit order, that's a limit order that it would have sold at that price. So there's one good way of looking at it. But I didn't know where it was going to go. I was just following it up, trending up. Now it's trending back down again. But I don't mind owning Lucid at this price. I think it might bounce again throughout the day, but it was a bit frustrating. 912. We're waiting for it to go a bit lower before we buy some more. What happened? I got hacked. Basically, I had a virus come in just as I was about to trade. Maybe it doesn't help the videos called Russia Markets Crash. Day trading, how to make $200 a day. Well, we just made $200 on one purchase, so we're perfectly happy, but we did lose out on one as well. Very frustrating. Anyway, Bitcoin today, no surprise, because of the markets in Russia. Money is going to be pumped into Bitcoin today. Russia threatened to use an EMP attack to take out West Coast power grid. Yeah, well, I've got backup power here, a backup internet. Unfortunately, I'm in Nicholas Morello. Let's welcome Nicholas Morello into the house today. Nicholas, if you're very first time here, it looks like it is. Let me welcome you to the show. Click subscribe and ring the bell. That would be absolutely awesome. Give us a thumbs up, mate. We just had to start the show all over again. Everybody watching right now, smash the like button, please. We had to start again because we were hacked. For the very first time on the show, we were hacked. Bitcoin is now exploding as we expected to see money flood into Bitcoin today. So I'm going to sell some at 42. And it could hit 50,000 today. Look at Ethereum as well, nearly 5%. Massive gains today, so we're doing really well. Coke is doing really, really well today. Google is now recovering. We're trying to get more SPC as it drops. All right, as we go up now, we'll sell this again. Right, it looks like we're starting to move again. Buy. Are we getting a little bit of a bounce right now? Possibly. Buy another 300 quickly. Buy 300, review that. We are getting a bounce. So we're trending up again. Done. Right, let's get ready to sell those. There we go, 926. Sell 600. 600, review 926. 926, 927. Okay, it's likes 926, 927. Now we've seen that. So when it does that again, we'll do it. 926. Get ready to sell. 24. $9.24. 25. 627. We've already made our $200 a day. We've made our target. Sell. 926. Done. Right, that's $240 a day now we've made. Okay, so we're out there again. And then we'll buy back in. We'll buy 300 first of all. So 300. When that drops back down, we'll look at it. We'll keep an eye on it. Here it goes. 923. It'll bounce off that line. We just took that position there. Let's go back over now and see where we are now. Look, we're up $600 now. We've made $600. Just use limit. No, I do sometimes, but I like to watch it. It depends how I feel. I do a bit of both. I like to feel it out, sense where it's going. As I say, it's not about being greedy. It's about making a profit wherever you can, as little profits wherever you can. If you've just tuned in, smash the like button, subscribe, ring the bell. Let's welcome Nicholas Morello. Where are you from, Nicholas? I want to welcome you in. Lovely to have you here. My name is Martyn Lucas, and this is my TV studio here. Of course, we're supporting Ukraine. We've got special events starting today, special broadcast shows today, starting every weekday in 2 hours from now. Welcome, everybody. I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man, but by daytime I trade. And welcome to our show. And if you're new here, here's the all links button to get all the free stocks people give me, sponsors and so on, give me and I give to you. There you go. There's all links, the Discord, the Twitter account, the Instagram, so on. If you want to be a member and receive all the benefits that members get, and remember, this is an investment channel. So what you invest as a member, you get back tenfold. Ask any of our members and they will tell you that you get a lot back. You get a lot more back than you put in. That's the idea. Let's welcome him in. Everyone put your cities and countries, please. Right, we're up now. $600 today. This is very, very nice. Rivian, now we're looking to buy SPCE again. It doesn't matter if I miss it. It really doesn't. I've made my money on it, right? It doesn't really matter. Let's see if we get it just to bounce back off there again. 827. Certainly trending upwards right now. Coca-Cola is now is now edging up slightly. Ethereum and crypto is the big story of the day. Reno, Nevada, USA. Welcome to you. I'm actually from Cornwall, United Kingdom, but my studio is based here in Dallas, Texas. And we had to start the show again today because we were hacked. The whole show collapsed. Very first time ever. Just as we were about to trade, we were taken down. It's never happened before. The account has never been hacked before. And I had a virus come in and it told me. Very disappointing. It's never happened before, but it did today. Maybe because the show's called Russian Markets Crash. There you go. Who knows? Who knows? So we reset all our protocols and everything, and now we're back up and running again. So we'll see how we go. Russian hackers, damn it. Yeah, who knows? Right. We're up now. Oh my gosh, 2%. Every day is a record here on the show the last week. SPCE, 9th. Right, we're trending upwards right now. I'm going to get back in here because we're trending back up again. It looks like we're moving again. 935. Let's see. Let's get ready to sell those as well because we could drop back down again any minute. Let's sell those 300. We're certainly we're 40,000 now. We've broken them. We've broken 40,000 now. Yeah. There we go again. 935. Get ready. 936. We're certainly trending up again now. Nibble, nibble all the time. Keep our eye. We got Bitcoin. We want to sell Bitcoin at around about 42. It could easily do that today. Greetings from Fife in Scotland. Love it up there. Martin, did you see the clip where Putin is threatening with nukes? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. And that's why our job is to bring down Russia's economy, which is what everyone is doing. I'm doing my part. I'm also doing a special show today at 11 a.m. Central, 12 p.m. Eastern time every day to support that. And it's a special show in Ukrainian. This is the show here right now. Let me bring it up to you. Right, 14 of you have already liked it. Absolutely amazing. Look at this. Here is the link. It starts in 2 hours from now. It's a special show I'm doing every day during the war, during weekdays. Okay? Go like that video and share it. There it is in the chat right now. Please go and share that video, right? Okay? And we've already got comments coming in. Look, click the share button here. There, look. Spread it to the world. And we're inviting our Ukrainian friends to join us. It's a special show for them. Right, we're up now $719. Tesla firing off. Rivian firing off. SPCE. Right, 935. Where are we going now? 934. I want to be in there again, so we will buy. If we dip down to the mid 8s, I'll go all in 1,500 shares like I did before. But just want to be in and out of that one, nibbling all the time. Amazon is now down 1%. It's not really cheap enough yet. Twitter is doing well. Happy with that. Nvidia is now rising today, doing well, just 6% down. Much better. Lucid is the story of the day because we had got the earnings tonight. It's not there yet. I've got 43 bucks in it. I'd like to get it up to, yeah, it's going to go a bit higher. It bounced here today around 27.43. So let's try and get our money out of that. Here we go, 27. $27. Get ready to sell Lucid. And then maybe a bounce again. Right, here we go. Let's sell Lucid now. I've got 100 shares here. Sell 100 shares there. Take the profit out of that. $6. I bought it this morning for 2672. 26. Yeah. Here we go. 27 review order. Not yet. I think a reversal is in store if it takes between Russia and Ukraine. Don't bear fruit. Yeah. That's why we're taking profits this morning. It's part of it. We're trading really heavily at the moment. Just falling back. SPCE, what we're doing. Yep, 26, 29. Right, the volume is starting to come out of Virgin Galactic. Now at 903, we want to be out of this now. So might get a small pop and then I'll be out and I'll be waiting for a much bigger pullback. Lucid. Money's moving into Bitcoin. You can see it. Look at that. Ethereum, Bitcoin now up 5%. Look at that. SPCE. It will all go up in March. Okay, for sure. I'm buying the VXX. I'm thinking a reversal is in store. You could be very right. I'm sure you are. 1.37. We're doing very, very well now. We're just nearly 40,000. But we are looking to take our money out of Lucid now at 27. When it bounces back up there again. Sell 100. It's not got momentum now. 26 up 2%. Review the order. Let's see where it goes next. Just watch it. Watch it closely. Ooh. I was just going to go then. Just want to sell our 100. 26.89. I want to go around about the 27. $94, $96. Sell. 26.97. Okay. Just took our money out of there. All right. And we'll come back to that later on and we'll see where that goes. We've had a good bounce this morning. we'll buy the drop again. I think we'll get the drop after the earnings report anyway. But okay, we're now up. We're now up. Where are we now? $583 today. That's good. I've made my money. The idea is $200 a day. I'm very happy with that. We're selling out our positions. Not all of them, of course. We never do that, but we always just try to trim off the top. Let's go back to Tesla right now and SPCE. Right, we're now firing up again. 938. Sell 300. We're on an upward trend again. 940. $942. Doing nice. 943. Let's have a look. $942. Booster rockets ignited. I'm currently really out of Virgin Galactic. There's not much in it. The good news will come later in the year. This could be a highly traded stock today. Profits. Don't forget that 30% run-up day. Yeah, not yet though. Remember, it's easy to make money. The hard bit is to keep it. That's the difficult part. $939. I'm going to I'm looking at what if they announce some test flights for new planes they are building, fingers crossed. Yeah, it's coming. It's going to come in a few weeks, though. I don't think it's going to come today. I'm going to sell my position right now. Okay. I'm going to sell my position again, leave myself one share, bank my profits, and I'm going to look for another dip again. Okay. So I'm going to keep that open, very closely watch it. I'm not going to set a limit order because I just do not know where it's going to go, but I just want to take my profits, bank those profits. That's what it's all about. It's not about missing out. I couldn't care less about missing out. You miss out all the time. They got more they're building more rockets. That's what he means by that. Well, they are plane rockets, whatever you want to call them. What new planes? What if they announce some test flights for new planes they are building? Well, they won't be. We watched the earnings report the other day. We know exactly what they're doing. They already announced Delta in a few years. True, don't be afraid of missing. Yeah, absolutely. Just make your profits. And you miss opportunities every day. I mean, there's millions of shares that you could buy any minute of any day, you know. See, I've just lost money there, but I haven't lost money. I just bank my profits. And at the end of the day, my target is $200 a day, and I'm up 600 today. That's all that matters. All that matters is you're up and you're improving your position. That's all that matters. I'll just wait for a pullback and I'll buy in again. It doesn't really matter. Okay. Let's check our situation right now. Bitcoin, we're going to sell Bitcoin at 42. In 5 years space, it'll be 200. I totally agree. I am the biggest fan of Virgin Galactic. I know Richard Branson, Sir Richard Branson. I've had 1,500 shares of it, Nicholas Morello. I've sold 1,500 shares in and out, like 50 times. So I've made money on it over and over again. Only to be right with your plays. Misses don't count for nothing. They don't count for nothing, no. Coke is doing well. I bought more Coke with the profits as well. That's what I did there. Apple is now moving up. BA is moving up. Rolls Royce, I'm glad I didn't touch that. I was going to buy some more, but I decided not to. So I came out of that. Anyway. Immersion is now up 1.67 a day. PayPal was moving upwards, but now backwards again. Right, day trader of the day. Who's the winner today? Right, so here we go. Here is the all links button. If you want to be a member of the Discord, Twitter, Instagram, get the free stocks that we give away. My sponsors give me prizes to give away. There's the all links button for you. Go and check that out and get involved. If you want to be a member of the channel, and we appreciate our members, they get many, many perks. Including discounts from the merchandise shop. Of course, you all know about the merchandise shop. We have our own day trader mugs. We absolutely love all this stuff. Let me show you right now. Here it is. Here's the day trader mugs. Oh, the camera changed around. Let me change that around. There we go. That's better. We got our own set of mugs, and members get discounts to all the merchandise, so go and check that out. And don't forget, in 1 hour 45 minutes, a special event. We've got 15 likes now, 2 waiting. Fantastic. Look at this. This is the event for Ukraine. Special daily 1 hour show every day for our friends in Ukraine. On the weekdays, that is. Leave your comments. Mike's already in the comments. Look, I can see that. I can see Mike look, in the comments. There's Mike. Look. Let's bring him into focus. There's Mike. And there's Zach from Africa, Uganda. Awesome stuff. Right, back to the trades. Let's have a look. SPCE. Done all right there. I've taken my profit out of there now. I've just got 1 share. I'm waiting for a pullback, and I'll be all over it again. We're looking to sell Lucid. Oh, we sold Lucid, didn't we? Yep. Sold Lucid as well. Out of there. SPCE. Waiting for a pullback. Rivian. Tesla. All good. Right, we're up today, 1.29. Right, let's do day trader of the day right now to find out who the winner is. Day trader of the day. Let's do it right now. So I post my score first, and then you will post second. Are you ready? Okay, so here we go. We'll do that right after we hear from our sponsors very quickly. 10-second ad. Click it. Skip it. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. Okay, I'm back. Right, day trader of the day. Go to your main portfolio. Go to your main portfolio and tell me up or down, whatever it is, over your overall portfolio. So I'm up 1.2 today. It was something like 6% on Friday, 8% on Thursday. It's just been 3 amazing days. If we look at it right now, the live position, so there's 1 point, in fact, I'm 1.3. It's getting better by the second. Right. 1 week now, 1 month now. I'm up on the month. Yeah, look at that. Up 10% this month. But not on the 3 months yet. We've got a lot to get back. It's just been the last month. It's been like this, okay? So here we go. I'm going to update my score because I want to win today. 1 point. It's going all the time. 1.53%. So don't post until I give you the clock. There you go. There's my score on the doors right now. Let me give you the timer. You ready? 1 minute from now. Who's going to be the winner today? Post your scores in the live chat. Down 2.3. Oh, commiserations go to you, Duchak. Sorry about that, mate. up 2.28. Bill goes into the lead. That's his Virgin Galactic. Rob McLean is up 0.05. There we go. Bill's in the lead by 2.28. SBCE now is firing up 944. 943, up 2%. Nicholas Morello, congratulations to you. Looks like Bill's holding the lead in Virgin Galactic. He's not trading it, he's just holding it. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. Looks like Bill's going to win. All right, here we go. Congratulations, Bill. Bill is the winner. I'm up. Oh, no, he's not. 2.73. Dr. Nathan Smith comes right in. Dave Mottram is up at 1%. Great score as well, by the way. I know why. I know exactly why Dr. Smith is up. He's a big fan of Ethereum. And we can all see exactly what's happening there. No, none. You've got no Ethereum. You've got no Ethereum. Okay, so what is it that's grown your portfolio like that today then? Because that's a great score, 2.73. Congratulations. So let's thank Dr. Smith. Let's bring up his score on the screen. Yes, yes, yes. Congratulations to you. Let me bring him in. And congratulations. Thank you for your honest trades. Thumbs up, and of course, give him a big round of applause. There we go. I thought you'd have ETH. You're a big fan of it. You've talked about it a lot. You got me into it. There we go. Absolutely awesome stuff. Congratulations to you. We're all happy here. Sagan Samuel's here. Sagan Samuel, we missed you the other day. You were the winner. You won the cash prize. And where is my gift? What gift? I'm here. Where is my gift? What gift? What do you mean? Where is my gift? Come back to me. Yeah, you won the competition the other day, but you wasn't here. So you don't get the prize. Wow. Yeah, you did. You were actually a winner, but unfortunately you've got to be in the show to win it. Yeah, you won the cash prize. I watched the video. Oh, I see. Yeah. Yeah, you only get it if you're in the show. You can't watch it on the repeat. It'd never work like that, would it? But yeah, you have to be in the show. Ha, yeah, I know. That's why you got to watch, see? But yeah, you were a winner. Anyway, there we go. So let's get back into the trades right now. And no problem, man. Yeah, that's the rules. Tesla is doing well, up 4% today. Rivian is up today as well. Let's check our positions now because I'm expecting a pullback later on. SBCE 139, 138. Had a great day. I do expect profit taking though from all of this. I really, really do. Amazon is now down 1.79, going down by the minute. Now today is going to be a slightly shorter show because we now have the opening bell, a closing bell, and in between we have our special broadcast to our friends in Ukraine. So this will be a slightly shorter show today, but I'm doing it every weekday. Well, Lucid is now firing off again. Anthony. Are you from Nigeria? For the record, I do have ETH. No, Dr. Nathan Smith is actually from the United States. Lucid is now firing off again. Could be firing off all the way up there because it's earnings reports day today. And I sold. I took my profit. I'm currently out of it. Peloton is moving up. PayPal is moving up. I think Virgin Galactic is up because pre-revenue companies aren't affected by geopolitical issues. That is correct. That is correct. But if you follow the show, you'll know how much we are into Virgin Galactic. We're massively into Virgin Galactic. And the rate hike will only be 0.25. Yep, that's all good news. Virgin is the ultimate combo of meme and brand. The ultimate combo. I love it. Apple, 0.89 up, moving up now. Google is trading sideways. Coke is going back down again. Smash the likes here. Good morning, Robert. We're having a great day, a record-breaking day today. We're up 2% today. Every day now this week we've been up massive. I sold my position of SPCE. Looking to get back in on another pullback. I made $200 twice today on it. I sold it twice. Looking for a next pullback, and we'll do it again. I also made money on Lucid because it's Lucid's earnings today. I missed out. We had a crash, unfortunately. We were hacked. We literally had a hack. We had a virus come in and reset the entire system. So I missed out on that, but never mind. It is what it is. Smash the like. Now, you all know what we do now. Smash the like. Robert. Yes. You ready? It's his trademark. Just like 50,000 Murray. Just like It's Your Bloody Show, which is from Mike. Smash the like Robert has his trademark. There you go. Right, we're up to now 40,000, 2.2% now. Right, good. And the big players today are Ethereum, Bitcoin. Bitcoin's broke through 40,000. Okay, we're waiting to trim off the top right now. Take some profits out of this. I bought some over the weekend. So we're getting ready to do that now. Bitcoin now is, I bought 37.9. Wow. So I've got plenty of trading money here in the bank. Plenty of it. Now you could hold it forever. Teledoc doing well. Teledoc doing well. Yes, thank you, Captain Birdseye. Thanks for the information. Love it. Now, this is the information I want to share with everybody. We've now got 15 likes. In an hour and a half from now, I start my daily broadcast to Ukraine. It's in Ukrainian. It's a special event, 1 hour every day. There it is. I want everyone now to go and like the video, share it, click the share button, and click here, reminder, so you won't miss it. It's live in 96 minutes. Can you see it there? And it's live every day. Multiple networks are broadcasting this for me. Leave a comment, get involved. Right, we're now up nearly $1,000 today. We're absolutely exploding. Now, where are those profits coming from? They're coming from Tesla. They're coming from Bitcoin. They're coming from Ethereum. We made our money on SPCE. It's now firing up. You speak Ukrainian? No, I don't speak Ukrainian. The title is in Ukrainian and the description, part of it. No, I don't. Unfortunately, I speak German, but not nicht sprechen Sie Ukrainian. I speak. Ich kann nicht sprechen Sie Deutsch sehr gut, but German, but no, not Ukrainian, no. But we are going to do a special show where we're inviting our friends from Ukraine to join in. It's a war radio broadcast. That's what it is. Think of it like that, where we'll be inviting them to share their messages, their stories, a way to communicate. We'll be sharing them with the news from the BBC and Sky, so there will be unbiased news, so they can have some information there. Also, singing their favourite requests. That's what I'll be doing. So there'll be dedications and requests going out to them as well, to their families and loved ones. For those of you, if you don't know Nicholas, I was voted by Elton John as the World Piano Man, and this is our TV studio, all set today for Ukraine in the yellow and blue colours. You'll see it when we go live, how it all looks. It's not there yet. We haven't pumped out the smoke or anything yet, but later on we will, and we'll be doing a special broadcast for our Ukrainian friends, and it's live every weekday, starting today. Okay, back to the trades. Let's have a look. Virgin Galactic now at 940. It's trending upwards. We're now up nearly 2.25%. Look at that, 2.5% now. Nearly $1,000. Awesome. Yeah, we're all playing our part. We're playing our part in bankrupting Russia. That's what we all need to do. Trade and move money out of Russia. That's what we need to do. Vladimir Putin needs to know everybody in the world is against, every single person is against him. The special forces have all got their crosshairs aimed at him, and I'm sure his own people will revolt. And this show that we're going to do is just to support our friends in Ukraine and show them we're all with them, and give them some music and some good spirits. That's what it's all about. All right. Twitter is now firing off today, and of course PayPal, I would imagine, is doing the same. Let me have a look. Yep, PayPal's now moving up. Bitcoin, we're looking to trade Bitcoin at 42. Take some profits out of there and buy the pullbacks. Coke is just going down slightly, but we're still in profit with Coke. Google is moving up. Apple is moving up now. SPC, of course, is running away. I'm losing opportunity to be in now right now. Of course, I was in at $8, 1,500 shares at $8. Can you imagine? A lot of money to be made right now, but of course I traded it, and I made money on it many times. So even though I'm missing out on this, I've made those profits several times. And you know, what goes up must come down. We will have pullbacks. I will try to get into it again. It could keep running today, and it could be worth buying it right now, whatever it is. But you know, we shall see. We do certainly seem to be on an uptrend. So what I'm going to do, even though this will raise my averages, it doesn't matter. I'm going to have a little buy into this now, because we do seem to be on a upward trend again. So we're buying in at 341. Let's get ready to sell that very quickly. I just bought 300 shares. It's still very, very cheap, this stock. Still very, very cheap. And let's just put a 300 share there sale at 343. Let's see what we can do. Let's just make a little bit of profit there if we can. But be ready to take it out quickly, because we want to buy it back. Seriously, who is going to buy a new gas-powered car this year? Exactly. Next up, Ford shorts. Absolutely. Totally agree with you, DCU. Seriously, who's going to buy a new gas-powered car this year? I've got to be honest, you'd be crazy to do so. And that's why I hate Ford. That's why I hate Ford, because Ford is selling EVs at the same time as trying to get you to buy a gas car. They want you to take a 7-year lease on. Can you imagine going to a Ford garage today and buying a gas car and getting on a 7-year lease, knowing in 7 years your car's worth $0? I mean, seriously? What a joke. What an absolute joke. But anyway, that's why used car prices are 2x. Yep, they are. Do not want to buy a new gas car. Absolutely not. It's like buying the last VHS recorder, and the guy in the shop who sells CD players trying to get you to buy a VHS recorder and getting on a 10-year loan at 80%. You know, it's ridiculous. It's an absolute a joke. But anyway, there you go. So now we're looking at, I just bought that at 940, 941. Let's sell those 300 shares at 942, 943. I love listening to you beat up on Ford. Yeah. That's why you did it, right? That's why you did it. You dropped it in and thought, right, I'll wind the bugger up. This will start him. I knew what you're doing. That's why I didn't go full on it. I thought I'd just have a little ripple and leave it out. Betamax more like, yeah, there you go. Dave Mottram's coming in, showing his age. Look, Betamax. Remember that? Brilliant bit of kit that was. 939. See, we're getting the pullback now, and I just decided to pop in. I might even take a loss on it now, lose the $5. If we start to get a pullback, you just want to come back out of it again. Just wanted to be in it at that moment because there was a little uptrend, and I'm going to get ready to sell that because there has to come a pullback at some point. 941. As long as it's uptrending, I'll just stick with that for a minute. I've already made my profit from it, but I'm just getting back in because it is uptrending at the moment. And, this stock will be a $100 stock, no question about it. So it's still a great time to buy, but there will be ups and downs in between. You make a lot more money. Wow, look at it lifting off now. I'm glad I did that. It's just free money, isn't it? 148, 149. Bloody hell. Whoa! What's happening now? Are we getting a really big bounce? Oh, whoa, 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 what the hell? Okay. Look at that. Wow, we're getting a big lift off right now. We could have a big pump this morning. Let's have a look. Back in, let's have a look. Yeah, buy. Look, we could be getting a move right now. We want to be part of that. Review the order. I could get caught out, but I don't mind. Buy 967. I don't mind. I've just bought in 967, 968 done. Get ready to sell that. That could be a quick sell. That's 801. So get ready to sell 800. Sell 800. 800. That lifted off. We've got a big buyer now coming in, obviously. So we could be up for a bit of a run up today. So I just want to be in on it. I don't mind owning the stock at all. We are getting a run. And this can go all the way. This could go all the way to 100. It can. But it's too early, though, for the flights, though. What we're doing now is people are taking their money out of all the other stocks and they're buying into something which they can trade quickly. So this is very volatile. You want to get in and get out. So I've just bought. Can make some very quick money now. I'm holding 150 space. Had 300 last week. Right, I've got 800 now. I'm going to get ready to sell those 800 and just make another $100. 10% moves in space are just noise. Yeah. 958. Got to get a pullback today. Tesla's up 6% as well. Whoop, it's running. That really started to move then. I wanted to be in on that. 960. Watch it closely because this could fall back. People will take profits. People have lost a lot of money. I first bought in Virgin Galactic at 37. Lost a lot of money. I had an 80% loss, which I then turned into profit. But there's a lot of people who are trying to trade this up and then sell it quickly. So this is a very, very volatile stock right now. It's a great company, great asset. Love it. You know I do. It's my favorite stock of all of it. But you've got to be very careful when you trade this. That can suddenly drop like a stone, and I'll be up 961 when I had an average of 799. Remember, so got to remember that. Wait for the next one, and it could fall as long as you don't mind owning it at this price. Ultimately, I don't. I've made money on it anyway. I don't mind, but as long as you don't mind owning it at this price, remember the price is not the value. You're buying the value. You're buying where it's going, what the company is going to be worth, what it's going to do in the future. It doesn't really matter what you pay for it right now. Not until we get up to $30, $40 a share. It doesn't. Anything around here doesn't really matter. I mean, would you care today if you could buy, if you could buy a Bitcoin for $1,000? No, you wouldn't, would you? Even when it came out, $1, it wouldn't matter, would it? It doesn't matter. It's where it's going. I'm expecting this stock to fall today because of the war, but it's selling more. I wish I could understand this better. Just got to keep watching, mate. Just be part of what we're doing, and you'll learn all the time. I've been following this stock now for 7 months. 10% moves in space are just noise. 951. I might take a loss in a second and just protect myself from it falling back. Because it has to. What goes up has to come back down. Right, today we're over $1,000 up, 2.8%. There we go. Breaking records again today. Tesla's doing really, really well. Rivian, great. SPCE, 953. The big story of the day is Bitcoin up nearly 7% now. Ethereum space will be $4 in 6 months. And that's right. I totally agree with that, Nicholas. I don't think it'll be $4 at all, though. I would say it's more like $8. But obviously, that's your opinion right there. I've got 800 shares to sell right now. I've got my finger on the sell button. Now I could set a limit order, but we don't know where it's going. This isn't based on anything right now. This isn't based on the war. This isn't based on flights. There's no news out today. This is just people want to make some money and they're trading it and buying it up. That's all that's going on right now. Lucid is now firing up again. SPCE, 958. Where's it going to go next? Are we going to get another little lift? At least last year's $16 bottom, then halved by dilution to 8. That's right. I think 8 is the bottom. I think 8 is the bottom. So this is a great price still, you know. But at the end of the day, all I want to do is make some profits and grow my portfolio. That's all I want to do. And let's have a look at my overall position right now. We're up at 1,250. Right, SPCE 955, 956. Where's it going to go next? We've had a big lift off today. Let's get that straight. I mean, we were down 3. We're up 4. We've a swing of 8% today. That's a big day without any news, really. It could go anywhere, really, at this rate. Over on TikTok, what other streams are you on other than TikTok? On YouTube. This is our YouTube show right now. You're missing it out. You need to watch it on YouTube. YouTube is just, TikTok is just to let you know I'm here. But come and join us on, oh, here we go. 960.61. I'm going to take a little nibble out of this again today. 961. Are we going to keep pumping from here? It's moving. 962. We've made $400 from it today. Remember, this could drop now. We've had an 8% swing. 965. You want to just decide how much you want to make a day and stick to that. I mean, my target is $200, and today we've made over 1,200. So it's all gravy after that. Don't worry. As long as you make money, you're okay, right? Well, I could sell this now because 965 is quite high for where we are today. A 9% swing today. 9% swing. 967. It is virtually parabolic at the moment. 968, 969. There's no kinks in it at all. It's straight up. $68. It's very hard to sell it when it's doing that. It's very hard to sell it when it's doing that, but you know it's coming. I mean, look, I'm $83. I could just sell that and take that, bank that profit. But it could suddenly go to 980, 10. It could. But at the end of the day, you're up, you've made money. Wait for it to pull back, because we will get a pullback. Of course we will. It's hard. I know how difficult it is when you see it going parabolic with hardly any pullback at all. But it will, because people will take profits at this point. 66. Where's its next move going to go? Remember, its upper limit's a 70. It's hit 70 before on a test flight day, but it can't do that today. There's no reason why it would do that. There's no reason why it would do that, but it's undervalued right now, no question. The earnings report was great. They were losing less money than they anticipated, so that was great. They're moving it into other. They're expanding their opportunities with their club that you join as a Virgin Galactic customer. I never sold it when it hit 70 to now bet. Yeah. I know how you feel. 967. Do you know, I'm going to get out of this in a second. It's great. I feel very lucky to have made this amount of money today from it. At the end of the day, I've made $400, $500 from it today. You know, it doesn't really matter, right? I am going to get out of this now, and then I'm going to leave it. I think it's the right thing to do. You can't just keep coming in and then think, you know, because you will get caught with your trousers down. You buy in at the highest price. But 66, 67. What's the next move going to be? I'm going to sell it. There we go. 968. I sold it at 968. I made another $100 a day on top of that 400. You know, it's great, and it could keep running and running and running all day long. It could, but all of a sudden, it could drop. All right, just be aware of that. So there we go. I just took the profits. Look, I'm now up. There, look, $1.5 grand. Fantastic, right? That's great. That's great. You're out of the stock. You know, you got no risk now. You're just making money left, right, and center. I mean, it's awesome. 967. Let's wait for a pullback. If it doesn't come and I miss out, I miss out. You know, it is what it is. Everything else is taking off now. Look, Twitter is up. We're going a hell of a day today. Hell of a day. Nvidia is firing off. We're getting all these stocks. Oh, look at these companies now. You just can't lose money anywhere. Lucid is 28. There's room here. There's room with Lucid to go to 30, you know. I'm going to buy 100. I'm going to buy 100 of Lucid just to make a trim as well. Buy. I'm gonna sell that at here we go. Did that just go through? Did I just manage to buy that then? I'm up 5% now. It's great, isn't it? Okay. Just bought 100 at what did I just buy those at? 28.36. 20. Right, I'll sell those as well. Sell those that 100. Review that 28.40. That's just going straight up as well. Bloody hell! Look at this today. I just paid 2835. Yep. It's running up as well. This has a reason. This is different than Virgin Galactic. This has got an earnings report coming out. So this can run to about midday, and then it could start dropping off, and if the earnings report isn't amazing or whatever. This is another one that could run for another couple of hours. See, look, Virgin Galactic, possibly. I sold it at the top, possibly today, maybe. You know, don't know. Anyway, let's get out of Lucid quickly. There we go. Look, we just paid. How much can we make on this one now? We just made 2835. 28. Hang on. I paid. But let me get this right. 2835. 283. Okay, here we go. So I bought this one. I bought 100 shares at 28.36. Let's quickly sell those 100. $36. I think it can run to about 29 today from where this stock has been. But you are buying at the top at the moment. Look, it's really is coming up to the top of where it's been recently. But there's a bit of room in it. 28.30. I just bought it for 28.36. It's a bit of a pullback now. Let's get 37, 38, and then we'll just get out of that. There we go, 37. Sell 100 at 37, 38. We're up now 1.5 grand, nearly 4% today. Dr. Smith is today is turning out good. Yes, it is. 28th. If you're over there on TikTok, come in. I haven't spoken to my wife in years. I didn't want to interrupt her. Right. 28.19. Sell. I'm out of there. I'm selling it. I'm taking a $1 loss. I don't care. I just want to come out there now. That's showing its first resistance today. So I've just sold out of there. I didn't want to stay in there now. It's at a pretty much parabolic rise all day long. What goes up must come down. It can't just keep going and going and going. Its earnings report, I wouldn't imagine, would be great. And I would imagine it would disappoint possibly and sell off in the morning. So I've made some money out of it. And I took a dollar loss then just to get out of the stock. I wouldn't want it to keep falling down. And then I'll buy back later when it drops back down after the earnings report perhaps. But anyway, that's what I did. I took a dollar loss to protect that. It just showed us a slight resistance there. Look, see it? Be interesting to see where it goes. All right, we're going to wrap up the show because we are back in an hour and 15 minutes for our first special event for our friends in the Ukraine. So before we finish, we've got a quick word from our sponsor and then we'll recap, okay? So here we go. You skip the ad. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. And I'm back. All right, okay. So hopefully you're all with me. Another great day today on the markets. 3 record-breaking days now in a row. 3 record-breaking days in a row. And really, really very, 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 very good indeed. Now then, we're going to wrap up the show now. We're going to take a break. We've sold our daily trading positions. We're all good. Yeah. We're just letting everything run off. We're leaving our positions where they are. SPCE, we'll keep an eye on that. And we'll buy back in if it drops. It's now coming back a bit. So, and Lucid as well. See, the same thing. I think I made the most out of it. Today's run. SPCE, look, now falling back. I think I did it right. I'd like to buy that back now around about 8.90, and I think we'll do it again. I think that will come in the morning, tomorrow morning, and I think then we'll buy back again and do it all over again. Could be a big sell-off now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set a limit order. So if I set a limit order of what, 9 would be good. No, I think 9 is a safe bet now. I'm going to set 9. I'm going to set a limit order of $9. Okay. So I'm going to set a limit order of $9. $9.01. Just to bounce it off before it hits the $9. I'll buy 300 shares. And good for the day. I wonder what the other options are here. If your order doesn't execute, it'll right. Good for the day. Expires in, yeah. Anyway, if I change that, it might give me. Oh, anyway, doesn't matter. So a limit order of 901. If it hits 300, I'll buy 901. I'll buy 300. And then I could buy a lot more if it continues to fall. But there we go. I'm going to review that order, and we're going to have that sit in there. That way I can forget. All right. It might get there. It might not. Doesn't really matter. I'm out now. I'm in a safe position. There's the order. There's the limit order that placed there. And that'll be for 901, just above the 9. Psychologically, it'll bounce off 9. And I'm ready to go. Okay. So, just before we finish, here is the video. Captain Birdseye, awesome, great stuff you are doing. Thank you ever so much, Captain Birdseye. He's liked the video already. Here is the link for everybody. There is the link for this video that starts in just over an hour from now. Please join me. It's going to be a very special show. An hour every work day, and then I'm back for the closing bell. If you'd like to be part of it, support what we're doing here, here's the invitation to join. There we go. There's the invitation to join in the live chat. All right? Okay. That's it. Okay. We're very, very happy now where we are. Up today, 1.5 4%. Bitcoin we want to sell as we approach the 41,000, 42,000, and then get a pullback. Bitcoin as well, Ethereum as well, sorry, rather. Right, we're going to leave that right now. We'll take a break. I'm going to get ready for my special Ukrainian event, which starts in an hour, just over an hour from now. So that's it from me. I want to thank everyone for being here today. I hope to see you all back for our special event. If not, I will see you back for the closing bell. Thank you ever so much for being here. It's been an amazing day today. I hope you've banked your profits, improved your positions, and all good. Take care of yourselves and each other.